Hi, welcome to Competent Electrician. I'm Confucius Teo, a licensed electrician. Today we are going to talk about comprehensive water heater installation test. What is this? This consists of A will be the quantity test on the 18 cable for 2 circuits. This is commonly used in HDB where I have a common bathroom and a master bathroom. Second will be the insulation resistance test on 18 cable. Later, I will explain in detail what's the purpose of individual tests. C will be the polarity test on the 2 sets of cable. D will be the earth loop impedance test. The last test will be the water pipe to ground measurement. Let us go into detail now.